Have you ever felt like you're not enough? Maybe in your career, you've doubted your ability to succeed. In relationships, you've wondered if you're truly lovable. Or perhaps, in the quiet moments of life, you've questioned your purpose. These feelings are more common than you might think. But what if I told you that ancient wisdom holds the key to transforming these doubts into a powerful sense of self-worth? David Ghiyam, a teacher of Kabbalah, shares profound insights that help us reconnect with our intrinsic value. Kabbalah teaches that we are all imbued with a divine spark, a unique purpose that no one else can fulfill. In this video, we'll explore 7 reasons why people often feel unworthy, whether in business, love, or life, and more importantly, how to reclaim your sense of worth using timeless spiritual principles. So, if you're ready to silence those inner doubts and step into the fullness of who you are, let's dive in. But before we do that, please help the channel by liking and subscribing. It takes less than a second and helps the channel a lot. Now that you have liked and subscribed, let's begin. 1. Comparing themselves to others. Why it happens. People often measure their value by comparing their achievements, looks, or possessions to others, leading to feelings of inadequacy. Kabbalistic insight. The wisdom of Kabbalah teaches that each soul has a unique purpose and path. Comparing yourself to others is like comparing the sun to the moon. They shine in different ways. How to rebuild. Focus on your unique qualities and contributions. Practice gratitude for your strengths and celebrate small victories. 2. Believing past mistakes. Define them. Why it happens. Many feel unworthy because of guilt or shame tied to past failures or wrong decisions. Kabbalistic insight. Mistakes are part of the spiritual journey. Kabbalah emphasizes that transformation and growth come through learning from our challenges. How to rebuild. Forgive yourself and view mistakes as opportunities for growth. Meditate on the idea of tikkun, spiritual correction, to release negative patterns. 3. Internalizing negative opinions. Why it happens. Hurtful words from others, especially in formative years, can embed deeply in the psyche, making people feel unworthy. Kabbalistic insight. Kabbalah teaches that the light within us is infinite, regardless of external opinions. Negative words reflect the speaker's limitations, not your worth. How to rebuild. Reject negativity by affirming your divine spark. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift you. 4. Fear of rejection or failure. Why it happens. Fear of not being accepted or failing can make people question their worth, leading them to avoid risks. Kabbalistic insight. Growth comes from stepping into the unknown. Kabbalah views challenges as spiritual opportunities to draw closer to the light. How to rebuild. Shift your mindset to see rejection or failure as redirection. Practice taking small risks to build confidence. 5. Seeking validation externally. Why it happens. Relying on others' approval for self-worth creates a fragile sense of identity that crumbles without constant reinforcement. Kabbalistic insight. True fulfillment comes from connecting with the light, not external sources. The more you align with your purpose, the less you need external validation. How to rebuild. Turn inward for validation. Practice daily reflection or journaling to reconnect with your inner light. 6. Feeling disconnected from purpose. Why it happens. A lack of clarity about one's role or contribution in life can lead to feelings of insignificance. Kabbalistic insight. Every soul has a unique mission. When you align with your purpose, you naturally feel more fulfilled and worthy. How to rebuild. Identify what brings you joy and meaning. Set intentions to pursue activities that align with your spiritual mission. 7. Believing love must be earned. Why it happens. People often feel they must prove their worth to be loved, leading to conditional self-acceptance. Kabbalistic insight. Love is a natural state when you connect to the light within. You are inherently deserving of love, not because of what you do, but because of who you are. Rebuilding self-worth is not an overnight process, but it's one of the most transformative journeys you can take. By embracing these Kabbalistic principles, you'll start to see that your value isn't tied to external achievements or others' opinions. It's rooted in the unique light you bring to the world. Remember, you have the power to rewrite your story. Whether it's forgiving yourself for past mistakes, stepping into the unknown with courage, or reconnecting with your purpose, every step you take is a step closer to the life you deserve. So, let this be your reminder. You are enough. You are worthy. And the world is waiting for the brilliance only you can offer. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Let's continue this journey together.